In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted items on Monday.com. Restoring items you might have deleted by accident or simply wish to recover is a handy feature that can save you a lot of time and trouble. So, let's get started with this straightforward process. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Monday.com account using Chrome or your preferred browser. Once you're logged in, you will find yourself on your main workspace dashboard. From here, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen where you'll spot your profile picture. Give this a click. Doing so will open up a menu with a variety of options relating to your account and settings. Once the menu pops up, you'll want to find and select the option labeled Trash. This is a crucial section of your workspace as it holds all the items, boards, pulses, and tasks that have been deleted. Think of it as a virtual recycling bin, holding on to these files just in case you need them back. Clicking on Trash will take you to an area dedicated to housing all these deleted items. You are now in the deleted items section. Here, you'll see a list of everything you've removed from your workspace. You might notice this includes various elements like boards or tasks that you've previously worked on, but decided to delete. Now, this is where the magic of restoration happens. These items don't have to be lost forever since Monday.com allows us to restore them conveniently. To bring back one of these items, take a close look at the list and identify the item you want to restore. Once you've found it, look to the far right of that item. You'll see a three-dot menu icon, somewhat like an ellipse, hovering beside the entry. Go ahead and click on this icon to reveal further options related to the item. From the menu that appears, you'll see an option simply labeled Restore. Clicking Restore will instantly bring the item back to its original place within your Monday.com workspace. Your item has now returned, free to be accessed, edited, and utilized as needed. This functionality can be a lifesaver in ensuring that your important work isn't lost forever, even if you remove it by mistake. Following these steps carefully will help you manage your workspace more effectively, knowing that retrieving accidentally deleted items is just a few clicks away. Feel free to use this process whenever you need to, ensuring that no important data goes unrecovered. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes managing your Monday.com workspace even more seamless.